Hello, this is Moots at Trask. We're going to be doing a air cleaner install on a 23 CVO with the VVT. It's a new style throttle body, so it's slightly different, but still pretty basic. We're Loctiting the 3 bolts for the sub plate. The sub plate has a breather fitting on it for the new style breather that Harley is utilizing. Very similar to our Checkmate. Loctite on the 3 subplate bolts. We're going to screw those into the throttle body. The 3/4 20 fasteners that screw the subplate to the throttle body, 120 inch-pounds on those. The 3/8 fasteners that screw the subplate to the heads are at 30 foot-pounds. And those are, in the video here, those are the stock fasteners, but we will be supplying 12-point polished stainless fasteners with our kit. So go ahead and torque down your subplate to the head and to the throttle body, and we'll proceed with the air cleaner backing plate. Also 3/4 20 screws, 120 inch-pounds. Install a velocity stack, which is magnetically held in place. Air cleaner, window, bezel, and the 3 arms. 3 arms are secured with 1032 stainless cap screws, which are torqued at 33 inch-pounds. Clean off your fingerprints. You're all set. You get this part at traskperformance.com or any authorized drag specialties dealer.